Welcome to Quick Podcast Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through setting up your API keys, the two connections that power everything in the app. Before we get started, I want to say this clearly. Never share your API keys with anyone. Not in a chat, not in an email, not on social media. Your API keys are like a password to a credit card. Anyone who has them can use them, and you will be the one who gets charged. Keep them private, keep them safe. Quick Podcast Studio uses two external services to generate your podcast. Anthropic's Claude AI writes your script, and 11 Labs brings it to life with professional AI voices. Both services are pay-as-you-go, both have generous free tiers, and both are completely separate from your QPS subscription. Let's start with Anthropic. Click the link on the screen now to go to Anthropic's website. Once you land on the page, click Sign Up and create your free account. You will need an email address and a phone number to verify. Once your account is created and you are logged in, click on API Keys in the left sidebar, then click Create Key. Give it a name like My QPS Key, copy it immediately and save it somewhere safe. Anthropic only shows it to you once. Now jump back into Quick Podcast Studio, click the Setup tab, and paste your Anthropic key into the Anthropic API key field. That is it. Claude is now connected and ready to write your scripts. New Anthropic accounts come with free credits. Enough for roughly 100 episodes before you spend a single dollar. After that, each script costs about 2 to 5 cents. That is not a typo, 2 to 5 cents per episode. Now let's set up 11 Labs. Click the link on the screen now to go to 11 Labs. Click Sign Up and create your free account using your email. Once you are logged in, you will land on the main dashboard. Before we grab your API key, let's pick your voices first. Click on Voices in the left sidebar. This takes you to the voice library where you can browse hundreds of professional AI voices. Take a moment to preview a few. Click the play button next to any voice to hear a sample. When you find one you like, click Add to My Voices. I recommend adding at least 2, one for your host and one for a co-host or guest. This gives your podcast a more dynamic and professional sound. Now here is something really exciting. 11 Labs lets you clone your own voice so your podcast sounds exactly like you, even though the AI is doing all the work. With the free plan, you can create a quick, instant voice clone by recording just a minute or two of your voice. It is not perfect, but it is surprisingly good for getting started. If you want a high-quality professional clone of your voice that is virtually indistinguishable from the real you, you will want to upgrade to the Creator plan. It gives you access to a professional voice clone that captures your tone, your accent, your personality, everything. It is genuinely worth it. But do not worry about that right now. You can absolutely get started with the free plan and upgrade later when you are ready. Once you have added your voices, click your profile icon in the top right corner, then click Profile and API Keys from the drop-down menu. Click Generate API Key. A dialog box will appear asking you to configure your key. Here is exactly what to set. Give your key a name, something like My QPS Key, so you know what it is for. For permissions, Quick Podcast Studio only needs 2 things: the ability to read your voices and the ability to convert text to speech. Make sure these 2 permissions are enabled. You do not need to enable anything else. Keeping permissions limited to only what the app needs is good security practice. Click Create, copy your key immediately, and save it somewhere safe. Just like your Anthropic key, 11 Labs only shows it to you once. Back in Quick Podcast Studio, paste your 11 Labs key into the 11 Labs API key field. Then click the Load Voices button. In a few seconds, you will see the voices you added to your library appear in the drop-down. Select your host voice from the list, and you are ready to generate professional audio. Now you may have noticed there are already some voices showing even before you clicked Load Voices. Those are browser voices, built into your device for free. They are useful for practicing and previewing your scripts without using any 11 Labs credits, but they are not production quality. Always use your 11 Labs voices for your final episodes. Your 11 Labs free tier gives you 10,000 characters per month. That is roughly 3 to 4 short episodes completely free every month. Paid plans start at just $5 a month and cover dozens of episodes. And that is it. 2 accounts, 2 keys, your voice is selected, and your studio is fully powered up and ready to create professional podcasts.